The Missing Book Mystery by Guy Beltrami. Mia's brother could not find his new book. I was reading it in bed, Nate said. This morning it was gone. Mia said, I'll help you find it. Mia looked under Nate's bed. She found lots of dust. Achoo! She sneezed. Mia looked under Nate's pillow. She found dirty tissues. Yuck, she said. Mia looked under Nate's blanket. She found dirty socks. Yuck again, she said. Mia looked under Nate's sheet. She found no dust, tissues, or socks. She also found no book. It's gone forever, Nate cried. Mia thought hard. There's still one place to look. Where? Asked Nate. Here, Mia said. She stuck her hand between the bed and the wall. Seconds later, she pulled out Nate's lost book. Yay, Nate said. Mia, you're the best sister in the world. Why is Nate upset? Write your answer on the line. What does Mia find under Nate's bed? Dust, dirty tissues, dirty socks, or Nate's book? Where is the last place Mia looks for the book? How does Nate feel at the end of the story? Sad, confused, sleepy, or thankful? Circle the word that best describes Nate's bedroom. Is it tidy, clean, neat, or messy? Finally, you are going to draw lines to match the words from the story with their meaning. So I will read these words and then I will read these for you. 1. Tissues. 2. Dirty. 3. Blanket. 4. Yuck. 5. Socks. 6. Forever. A word you say when something is gross. Soft papers you use to blow your nose. Clothing items you put on your feet. Unclean, which means not. Means not clean. Never ending, something that never ends. And a large cloth you use to stay warm.